Welcome. If you want to enter text correction options in your ZTE Axon 11 5G, for the first you have to go for the settings, scroll down and tap on the system, go for the languages and input, and right now go for the virtual keyboard and tap on the keyboard that you are using. So let's go for the Gboard, and here we got the text correction options. So if you want to enter, just click on it, and here we can, for example, turn off the offensive words, block the offensive words. So right now we'll be able to type some bad things on our keyboard. So that's how it looks. Thank you guys for watching. Leave thumbs ups, comments and subscribe to our channel.